Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now we've got airflow mentioned across the top. Usually when they do phrases like that across 2 separate words in the grid, it means they're going to end up in separate groups. So I don't think we're just going to have airflow and circulation. We could have flow and circulation, but I don't know what it would go with. What else? Periodicals. They're sort of magazines, aren't they? Like circulation, reference, books. I don't know if issue goes in that group. Or stacks. I mean, circulation is to do with how many of a magazine you publish, whereas periodicals is for magazines themselves. So that's possibly slightly different. Circulation, I suppose, is to do with issue. You might issue 500 magazines, you could circulate them. But then, of course, circulation could also be just to do with blood flow. So maybe that's going to go with flow. I don't know what else it's going to go with. Emerge is interesting. Something could emerge, something could result, something could spout, and something could be issued. That sort of feels plausible. I've got nothing better, so let's try it. Oh, it's one away. Maybe it's going to be flow then instead of issue. That's possibly a better shout. Oh no, it's still one away. It could result, it could emerge, it could flow, it could issue. Maybe spout is for red herring. Oh, that's very annoying. They all mean to arise. Okay. Spout then potentially goes with lid and handle. And strainer. Are they all parts of a cafetiere or a tea maker or a coffee maker? Features of a teapot. I should have got that much quicker as a Brit, shouldn't I? What else? Periodicals reference circulation. I'm assuming it's going to be stacks. I don't know about gum, though. In fact, I don't know what links any of the other 4, so I'm a little bit concerned. Eaves, gum, rain, air. Bubble gum, bubble air? Nope. I'm going to try these 4 because it feels like they're connected, but the fact that I couldn't work out what the other 4 was did make me a bit worried. They're just library sections. That's pretty much what I was saying. And then these 4. Drop, airdrop, eavesdrop, gumdrop, and raindrop, of course. All well-known phrases. Arguably, I should have worked that out. I didn't, but I didn't need to because we did put the correct 4 things together. Just those 2 early mistakes. So not a perfect game today, but still a successful solve before I ran out of lives. So a mixed bag. Let me know how you got on with this one. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.